Hey, in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create that status bar that you see made famous on Garyvee's videos using Premiere Pro. In this channel we create videos such like that and tips and tricks on digital media and marketing. So if that's something you're interested in, hey, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell notification icon. Let's get started. Okay, let's head over to Premiere Pro. I'm going to add one of the videos I was working on prior. I'm going to drag it in to create a sequence. As you can see, it's a video that I have here that I had created prior. Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to upload a custom audience list that you have. Okay, it's a meme for my Instagram, so all I need to do is just add the status bar. So I head down here to New Item, Color Matte, click OK. I like the bright red ones, but you can change to any color that you like or it match your branding. Hold it, drag it in and stretch it out all the way full length of my clip. In the effects panel, going to go and select type and crop. Drag it in. Okay, so I'm going to go to effects, crop. I'm going to crop the top and the bottom. So click here and start dragging it over to the right until I get just around there. I can always play with it with the motion here and try to get it closer. So now the bottom. And usually like a little bit thicker, but right there seems about okay. Let's try to type it in to 20. There you go, that's a good one. So the first thing you're going to do is go all the way to the beginning of your clip, go to motion, position, you're going to click it, it'll drop a marker right here. Okay, and so what you want to do is drag this over so it starts. It'll be the first one over here. Drag this over so the way it starts right at the beginning. Another thing that I'm going to do is actually drop it down a little bit because I don't like the fact that it goes over my video here. See? So let me just drag down. So you have the X and then the Y. With the Y, let me drag this down a little bit. And right about there seems good. Okay? So let me bring this back again. The X. Right about there. And what we're going to do is go all the way to right about there. So we are going to now another marker to the keyframe right here. In the position, I'm going to push it all the way over. So you can see this moving here all the way over to the end. Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to upload a custom audience list that you have from either current customers or potential customers. Upload that onto Facebook, create a custom audience, and start targeting and retargeting them with Facebook ads. Coming up. I actually want to make mine a little bit thinner because after looking at it, it is kind of thick. So let me just bring it up from the bottom a little bit more to 22. Let me try 20.5. There you go, that's a little bit better. I'm going to mute the sound so you can see this again. And that's it. So that's how you add the status bar there to your video or your memes. Let me know if you had any questions or issues. Leave them down in the comment section below and I'll go ahead and answer those and try to help you out. Hey, continue your digital media marketing education here by clicking or tapping on one of the videos right here. As always, Carlos, Zepeda Media. See you on the next video. Bye.